pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Are you guys excited for May's Glam Bag X? I am. You can get on the waiting list now. They do expect it to be sold out before April 1st. I just want to let you know that. So if you get the Ipsy Glam Bag for $12 or the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $25 and you have it on hold for this month, you're not going to be able to get on the waiting list for the May Glam Bag X. And the celebrity is Khloe Kardashian. Now, she doesn't have her own line out there, but she has actually, her favorite products are some of the products that we could be getting in the Glam Bag X. And they show her holding, which looks like the Charlotte Tilbury New Magic Cream. Now that, I'm going to say it's a newer product. I love me some good skincare, a very high-end brand, and it has a value of what, $100, I think? Yes, it does. It has a value of $100. And then you see, which is a brand we've seen before, 111 Skin. We all love me some 111 Skin. And it looks like the Rose Gold Radiance Booster is a product we could get. Now, the one thing about these spoilers is you're like, oh my gosh, I want this, I want that, I want this. And it says you may get it. So there's a good possibility you may not. And keep that in the back of your mind. The 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster has an MSRP of $135. I love me a good serum, and I do like 111 Skin products, so that was something I would be happy to get. Now, if I had to choose between that and the Charlotte Tilbury cream, I would say the Charlotte Tilbury cream because I don't have too many of her products, and I would love to try her skincare. Now, another thing I see in the picture, they don't like to give us too much for some reason, is the Rhode Isle Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. You guys know you can keep balms and moisturizers in your skincare fridge, and when you're applying that, after it's been in the fridge, it'll help reduce puffiness just simply because of the coldness. So that's something you want to keep in mind. I love my skincare fridge, and I have to thank Starla for that. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, so the retail value for the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm is $59. So any of these products already makes the box, to be perfectly honest with you, so even if you only get one. And you get to choose 3, May 2nd, May 3rd. You get a 24-hour window where you can log on the app on your phone, or you can get on the computer, whichever you do, and you choose 3 products. And then, of course, the other 2 products, I think, will be actually the other, because there's a total of 8, and I think it says that 2 products are chosen for us. So again, there's not a whole lot of spoilers out there right now, so this is what we know that is possibly going to be in the Glam Bag X. And I'm looking forward to it. It says here now it's $55, the Glam Bag quarterly, and it will replace either the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus for that month, and you'll get the X. It's upgraded. It's 8 full-size products. The retail value on this one is even higher than what was for the first one. It's $529. That's crazy, right? And some of the companies that are going to be in here is Charlotte Tilbury, Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's very possible you could get the Modern Renaissance palette, which has been out for a few years, but it was a bomb-ass palette when it came out. Herbivore Botanicals, Morphe, MAC Cosmetics, Olaplex, and RMS Beauty. Now, RMS Beauty is okay, in my opinion. They even show us the May Glam Bag sneak peek of a top brand. It's supposed to be a nail polish. That's going to be in the regular Glam Bag, the $12 Glam Bag. Now, I went ahead and got 2 profiles because I want me my Glam Bag X, but I also want the Plus and the regular Glam Bag for that month. Yes, I know. I want them all. But when we got the first Glam Bag, I will tell you, the first Glam Bag X that came out, I really enjoyed it. The Huda Rose Gold palette was pretty amazing. I really liked the Patrick Ta blush. And what was the other product in there that I wanted the brow stuff so bad. I did not get that, but I want to say there was mascara in there, and there was the Glam Bag Plus that month. I ended up getting 2 foundations. It was like amazing. So I'm really looking forward to May's Glam Bag X. Now, I will keep you guys updated as spoilers become available, because right now they're only giving us a little hint. They're like, here, this is Khloe, this is her favorites, this is what you're gonna want, and we're like, And so far, it looks really good. So, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. As the spoilers come out, I am going to release them to you. And if you're like me, you're already on the wait list for the Glam Bag X. You're already pre-ordered, signed up, all of that, waiting for it to drop in May. And if that's you, put that information down below. I want to see who's getting the Glam Bag X, who's on the fence about it, and why. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate every single one of you. I am so looking forward to May's Glam Bag X. Are you? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on in your life. I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you guys real soon in another spoiler video.